Hello everyone, welcome to Key to Blogging, and in this video I will show you how you can integrate your MailChimp account with your Elementor and create a subscribe form like this. So first of all, go to this MailChimp dashboard and click on account section. Now click on extra and you will see an option called API key. So click on this. Now scroll down and click on create a key. So I have already created this key. So after creating this key, just copy this code and go to the WordPress dashboard and click on Elementor, then click on setting. Now you will see an option called integration. So click on this. Now find MailChimp and paste the API key here and click on validate API key. Now click on pages and click on add new. So drag the form wizard and you can remove the message and click on name, and you can set the column width to 50% and click on email and set the column width to 50%. Now you can disable the label. Now click on action after submit, cancel the email and select the MailChimp. Now in the MailChimp section, select your audience. You can set a custom tag, then click on double opt-in. Now in the email section, click on email, and in the first name, click on name. Now you can set some additional option like custom message. So now hit the publish button. So let's check if this form is working perfectly or not. So I am given the name and email address and click on send, and as you can see the custom message shown here. So you can change the custom message from there. So in this way you can easily integrate your MailChimp account to your Elementor account. You can also integrate ConvertKit or any other email marketing tool to your Elementor and create a form like this. If you find this video helpful, then give it a like and share it with your blogging community. And don't forget to subscribe for upcoming videos. Thank you.